हम कर रहे हैं जनरल इंग्लिश BSSB प्रीवियस एजुकेशन तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट बी द करेक्ट पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेंस. Someone has stole my passport. Someone has stole my passport. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा my passport has been stolen. She is an dash mother. She let her child to do what she wants without parenting to her much. She is an intelligent mother. इंटीमेट नहीं होगा, एग्रेसिव भी नहीं होगा, अथॉरिटेरियन भी नहीं होगा, इंटेलिजेंट ही होगा क्योंकि इंटेलिजेंट मतलब होता है सक्षम. एग्रेसिव इसका सही आंसर होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है गिवन द इसको हमें सेंटेंस को अरेंज करना है. जस्ट एज द ट्रेडिशनल हाउस द यूनिक रिजॉर्ट इज इंटायरली इन हिमाचल ऑफ वुड स्टोन एंड मड. स्टार्ट करते हैं. द यूनिक रिजॉर्ट इज इंटायरली ऑफ वुड स्टोन एंड मड जस्ट एज ट्रेडिशनल हाउस इन हिमाचल आर. इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा BBC. To given in the area was the first pickle store. The store about 14 years ago. स्टार्ट ही होगा द स्टोर. सी से स्टार्ट होगा. स्टोर was the first pickle store. This store was the first pickle store. CB. Store to open in the area about 14 years ago. See, an excited group of school boy had dashed to watch the match. Combined to watch the match, mobilized, amused. Gather होगा इसमें. Sheila asked, should I go there? इसका हमें indirect होगा. Sheila asked whether she should go there. Sheila asked whether she should go there. The episode of the television serial play upon the dash of the viewer to know what is the happen next. This episode of the television serial play upon the eagerness of the viewers to know what is the happen next. Eagerness, casual happiness, affecting. One of the men in the moving bus was dashed widely to catch the attention of the passenger by gesticulating widely, declaring, mentioning, interposing. So gesticulating होगा इसका आंसर. To the concerned, the matter secretary in the ministry will be referred. The matter will be referred to the concerned secretary in the ministry. The matter will be referred to the concerned secretary in the ministry. These boys were in the class last year. This boys, that boys. These boys were. These boys were in the class last year. Who in the sublime form since the last World Cup in 2015. Rohit is another player has remained constant. And Rohit is another player who is sublime form and remain constant since the last World Cup 2015. Everyone who was present at the rally dashed approval by a enthusiastic applause. Everyone who was present at the rally showing his approval by. Everyone who was present in the rally showing his approval by acoustic approval. getting into the puddle, gather together, gather together privately to plan something. It would be foolish to shut our eyes to the dangers of the pollution that man caused. It would be foolish to shut our eyes to the dangers of the man pollution of the man. My mobile phone is better than his, although I paid much less for it. My mobile phone is better than his, although I paid much fee for it. In 1971, a silver clone storm crossed the coastal near Paris. In 1971, a silver cyclone storm crossed the coastal near Paris. The sun was worshipped by many ancient kings as an all-seeing good. Today, traveling has increased since means of the communication and place to stay are easy to find. They formerly were. They fought not only with bravery but also with confidence. The children dash had been playing outside the sun were called back indoor by their parents, who had been. The children who had been playing outside the sun were called indoor their parents. In their typical jovial manner, my aunt welcomed me when I went to see her. जॉबली मतलब गुड एक अच्छे से बिहेव करना, मिसरेबल मतलब गंदा बिहेव करना. The number of independent houses in the colony has dwindled in the last 5 years. The number of independent houses in the colony has dwindled in the 5 last years. Grown. Grown. Have you no clue about telling a teacher lie? Have you no doubt? The boy gave us a preposterous excuse for not bringing the book. A joke. The prospect of having a lot of riches appeared to many people a condition unimaginable felicity. Joy. Felicity मतलब joyfulness. As the sea was turbulent, fishermen was advised to not take boat out. Stormy. Turbulent means stormy. Peter played an ignorable part in the whole unpleasant episode. Peter played an ignorable part in the whole unpleasant episode. Synonym is shameful. His view on the current crisis appeared to be candid and unbiased. Candid economic guiding. Children aggravate me when they are noisy and loud. Encourage me. The timely child closes his eyes when the fight is beginning. And the bold closed child closes his eyes when the fight is beginning.